Hey, this is Kunal from Backdroid.com, and today I'm going to show you how to fix no SIM card error. I got this error on my Realme device. You can try all these steps on any Android device, whether it came from Samsung, Huawei, or any company. To fix no SIM card error, you need to get into the mobile settings. Then you should scroll down and tap on apps management and then app list, and then here you have to find the SIM card apps, or in the older version of Android you can find it from the name of SIM card SIM toolkit. Okay, so tap on it and then just get into here and just clear all data and clear all cache, and after this just force stop this app. After force stopping this, you just need to reinsert your SIM card, then just restart your device by doing this, and this will definitely solve all your issues. And that's it for today, guys. This is Kunal from Backdroid.com. Hope you like this video. If you have any queries and have any questions, then let me know in the comments. I would definitely reply to you.